Prepare for Lower Calf Creek Falls Trail. Today, you're going to learn all you need to know to get prepared to hike Lower Calf Creek Falls Trail. We got to Lower Calf Creek Falls by traveling an hour south from Torrey, Utah on Scenic Byway 12. The trailhead can also be accessed via 12 in an hour and 20 minutes from Bryce Canyon National Park. Lower Calf Creek Falls Trail is an almost 7-mile round-trip hike with over 800 feet of elevation gain. It is a moderate trail which is probably not for beginners, although it is great for people who can handle rocks, sand, the distance, and elevation changes. We prepared by reviewing the location and parking lot. What we learned was the parking lot did not allow large vehicles and is best accessed by passenger vehicles only. There is tent camping available as well as bathrooms and garbage cans before the trailhead. If you are hiking in the morning, be quiet to not disturb the campers. Subscribe to our channel now as we are posting new content weekly. We recommend day packs with hydration bladders. The more than 6-mile round trip requires more water than a bottle can hold, and the packs allow for food, treats, and a first aid kit. Bring protein bars at a minimum and also carry some fun treats for when the trail gets difficult. We like gummy worms or fruit slices. Chocolate isn't good as it may melt. Salty snacks are also good to replace salt lost due to sweat. We also found hiking poles supportive when we had to traverse the rocks along the trail. Comment now on what you packed for fun on the trail. The trail is dog friendly. We found our labs early in their life were good companions. We took dog bags and carried their waste out. Additionally, we always have them in pinch collars and 6-foot leashes. The trail is not long enough for food, but provide them with a good breakfast to see them through. Water is available in the stream and pool at the waterfall. What dog breed do you hike with? The canyon is as beautiful as the waterfalls. The views are panoramic and every turn is spectacular as you explore the canyon. Look for plants including cactus, as we found many we haven't seen before. Close to the falls, the stream presents itself. Look for fish and enjoy the flow of the water. The hike is again moderate, and it keeps you engaged and focused on the trail while you are enjoying the views. The destination waterfall is spectacular and worth every step. At over 120 feet tall, the falls are always present and provide a soundtrack while relaxing by the pool. Hikers enjoy playing in the pool. Be careful by the falls as there is significant drop-off that we did not expect. Plan on 3 hours of hiking, with about an hour looking at views along the trail and time at the waterfall, for 4 hours total. Click our playlist now to see more hikes and parks in Utah.